So a lot of people have been asking questions on what they should do immediately after an abortion or miscarriage. And people have also been complaining that they don't get pregnant, they've been having infertility immediately after abortion or miscarriage, and they have solutions. And those are the solutions I'll be explaining today. And I'll also be explaining why all these things happen so you can prevent them. And that's why I am Dr. D for you. Now, if you are seeing my face for the first time, do well to hit on the plus button so you can follow my page and be getting more videos like this. The first thing you are supposed to do immediately after an abortion is to go for an ultrasound scan to check if there are remnants of fetus in your womb. Because if there are remnants in your womb, it can cause problem. Mind you, when the fetus is coming out, during abortion or miscarriage, as it's coming out, some particles might remain in your womb, and those particles can damage your womb. They can cause a lot of problem to you. And that's why you notice some people complaining of not getting pregnant, infertility immediately after abortion or miscarriage. They keep complaining that they cannot conceive again because they didn't go for an ultrasound scan to check if there are remnants there, or to check if there are damages that have been done to the womb. It is only through scan the doctor can check for damages. There is no how a doctor will know if there are damages in your womb without doing scan. So it's best to go for scan, and if there are damages, the doctor will know how to treat you and bring you solutions. So it's advisable you go for an ultrasound scan immediately after an abortion. And secondly, ensure you take antibacterial drugs. The antibacterial drugs like Flagyl, doxycycline, azithromycin, and others, according to your doctor's recommendation, to prevent you from getting infections that will cause problem to your womb. Now, immediately after an abortion or miscarriage, you are at risk of bacterial infection, and that's why it's advisable you take all these drugs. So another thing you need to do is to take supplement that will regain back blood that you might have lost, because after abortion you lost a lot of blood, or after miscarriage you lost a lot of blood, and you need to regain this blood back so you cannot have other infections. So always take supplements immediately after abortion, and avoid being pregnant. Immediately after abortion, stay away from unprotected sex, because the body have not yet healed back from its damages. Mind you, during abortion or miscarriage, the womb is being affected. So for you to get pregnant, you need to allow that womb to heal first. You need to allow it to come back to its normal state before you can get pregnant again. But if you get pregnant while the womb is still having the effect it's having, you might be affected and you might have infertility that will not regain it back itself. So always do well to follow all these tips I've explained in this video so you can stay safe. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.